Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if that's something you're interested in, I'd love for you to join my channel by hitting that big red subscribe button. So today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial, as you can tell, but this makeup tutorial has a bit of a twist because we're going to do no coverage in this video. It's going to be another embracing my acne video. I did a video like this a couple months ago and you guys loved it since it was a makeup tutorial but no coverage involved, so it's really just using a bit of makeup to enhance your natural features instead of change them or cover them. And I love doing that video, and I've been doing my makeup like this on a daily ever since. So I usually just do really light makeup that doesn't cover up, you know, my acne or acne scarring. So the acne will stay for this video. It will be making an appearance and staying throughout the duration of the video. We won't be covering it up. And this is kind of a summer makeup tutorial since I'm using a bunch of products that are perfect for summer and won't really, you know, start to look bad once you start like sweating or your skin gets oily or you're going in like the ocean or a pool for swimming. So it's the perfect summer makeup, really natural and very light on the skin, very easy to do in just a couple minutes. So I can't wait to share this with you. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Alright, so let's just get started with the routine. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see what's going on. So I already did cleanse my skin off camera. That's obviously the first step of my routine, and I went ahead and applied my Polish Choice 2% BHA. I just finished doing a tutorial with that on TikTok. If you don't follow me already on TikTok, make sure to go follow me. My username is Lavinia. I post a bunch of content on there, mini review videos, tip videos, everything like that. So if you want to see extra content from me, make sure to go follow me. So recently I have been testing out some new skincare, so I'm just going to go ahead and use those today. In this video, I've been testing out Medicube skincare products, so I'm going to go ahead with the red serum. This is their red line. It's actually supposed to be for acne prone skin. So I've been doing a 2-week test on it. I'm officially, I think, 3 days into the test right now. So I'm just continuing with the products. The serum has like tea tree oil in it, so it's really beneficial for acne, but of course I have to keep testing it out. And then I'm gonna take the red cream. I gotta apply this to make sure my skin is moisturized, of course. Alright, so now for the most important step of the skincare routine, especially for a summer routine, is going to be SPF. I'm going to be using my tried and true Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Mineral Sunscreen. This is their SPF 51. This is honestly the only sunscreen that has worked for me. I want to try out more, but unfortunately, I do think I'm allergic to most sunscreens, but this one doesn't give my skin a reaction. So I take quite a bit. You want to have enough, and I just apply it on and down the neck too. And I honestly don't mind the white cast so much on me since I have super pale skin, but I do want to try to find other sunscreens out there for myself and to suggest to you guys too. And I go over the eyelids and really everywhere. Obviously this is a crucial step winter and summer, no matter sunny out or not. You still should be protected from the sun, but especially for a summer routine, if you're going to like the beach or something, you want to make sure you're protected. All right, so I guess the first step that I would do is do my eyebrows. I'm going to take my NYX micro brow pencil, and I've been liking a really light brow, but I just do this to kind of give them a bit more shape and just deepen them up wherever I have like maybe bald spot of sorts. Try to excuse the shape of them right now. I haven't done them in a while, but fine for the summer. I do like that more like bushy brow look anyways. So I'm just gonna kind of run this through slightly, doing like hair-like strokes. And then brush through. Other side, I really just try to make my eyebrows look as much as I can like related. We're not going for twins here, but they are like 2 different shapes, so I just try to even them out as much as I can. And I've really been focusing on my eyebrows recently with makeup, and I feel like a lot of what I've learned this past year is to use makeup in the fun way that it is, but use it to enhance like my natural features more than try to change my features as much. So I like to do my eyebrows a bit, since I do like my eyebrows and I like that they're thick and really bold, so I like to just enhance them a bit. And then my favorite product recently has been the ABH Brow Freeze, so I take a bit of this and I use this to kind of get them to stay in place and give them that feathery brow look. In a way, I'm able to kind of tame my thick eyebrows. And then I use it on this side especially to try to make this eyebrow stand up more, since this eyebrow is kind of stubborn and likes to lay more flat. So with this product I can kind of make my eyebrows look a little more symmetrical. All right, so I kind of do go for that like more feather brow, not super like clean cut brow anymore, so that's what we're doing today. So as I said, this is a no coverage makeup look. We're not going to be applying foundation, concealer, anything like that. I'm really just going to be using some makeup products to kind of enhance my natural features. So one of my favorite products has been the Milani cream blush. I'm going to be using the shade Cheek Kiss. I'm just going to take a little angled brush and really dip in there. Don't be shy, it is a pigmented product, but with a cream you can really blend it out. And I'm just gonna go on the cheeks and using a really light hand. So I'm holding the brush at the very end, just going in with a light hand of this blush, going over my nose and cheek area. Then I'm gonna be using this Sister Cosmetics, what is this? The Bronze and Shade Duo Stick. I'm gonna take the more warm color side. I'm gonna do a bit of bronzing, and then I'm gonna take the dark side to just a tad to do a bit of contouring as well. And then I'm going to take a little brush and blend this all out. Give me a bit of that bronzy look, since I haven't tanned too much, and that sunscreen does give me a bit of a white cast, so I don't mind too much because I can kind of make myself look a bit more tan with blush and bronzer. What I love about doing this kind of technique is my skin can really still peek through, and I feel like your natural skin without putting like foundation stuff on it can look really glowy once you've done all your skincare. And you guys know I use a lot of hydrating skincare, so it really gives me that like nice glowy look and healthy skin look, even if I have acne and scarring peeking through. One step I can't skip even for the summer is some highlighter. I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty liquid for today, and I'm just going to use my finger really to pat this out. And I like using mostly creams, as you can see. Ooh, the highlighter all in the hair. It's okay, everything can glow today. As I was saying, one thing I like about using creams instead of powders is even if you're like at the beach or sweating, I feel like you'll just these products will gradually fade rather than if it's a powder like break. So I don't see it as like that big of a deal if they start fading or wearing throughout the day. Do the nose a little bit. I'm gonna take my Milani Baked Highlighter in the shade Dolce Perla and top this off. So continuing with this whole like accentuating my own features, I'm gonna be doing just a little bit of eye makeup today. I'm gonna take the Milani Most Loved Mattes palette and I'm gonna dip into the darkest brown. I'm gonna go really close to my lash line and slightly wing this out. Again, if this starts to fade during the day or wash off if I'm in the water, it's not gonna smear like a full eyeshadow look or liquid liner would. So I just do a very tiny bit to lift my eye a little bit and accentuate the natural shape of my eyes. If you have more round eyes, you could just apply the eyeshadow around your eye, or if you do want to elongate it a little bit, you could do a little wing like I'm doing too. So anything you kind of feel like. And sometimes I'll do like a deeper brown or more of a cool tone color, but today we're going pretty warm. And then the trick is to apply a very waterproof or very long-proof mascara. I usually like this Voluminous X Fiber Superstar mascara from L'Oreal. This is the best mascara I've ever come across, but I'm all out of it for now, so I'm just gonna use a different one, but that is the one I would suggest for this look. I only like to apply a little bit for this type of look. I don't like my lashes to look all like spidery or clumpy. I like them to look pretty natural, but I just darken them up a little bit and accentuate them. And of course we have to make the eyes pop with a bit of highlighter. I'm gonna just apply this right into that inner corner. Now for my favorite step, the lips. I always find the lips really make me feel put together and like I really did my makeup and got all glam. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Lip Liner in the shade Wild Clover. I'm going to use a bit of this Milani Fantasy lipstick. It's like their little balm lipsticks that are so pigmented. And then I'm going to take this Milani Keep It Full lip gloss in the shade Natural Luster. These Milani lip glosses are perfect for the summer. They're so juicy, but they're not sticky. And then a setting spray for the summer is definitely a must to keep you refreshed and cool all day. I either like to go in with the Milani Green Goddess, or I've also been liking recently the Bubble Bounce Back Refreshing Toner. Now this is a toner, but because it's a spray form, it's really refreshing for the summer. I will have this link down below. I think I do have a 10% discount code you guys can use, so make sure to go check that out. And I do also have the rest of the products I use in this video also in the description. Alright guys, so that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed. This is honestly what I'll be wearing most of the summer. I really like it just because it's super natural. I don't feel like there's anything heavy on my skin. You can still see my natural skin, and I think embracing your skin is really, really important, but it's still really fun to play around with makeup some days too. And of course, as much as I love glam makeup, something like this is really nice because then I don't feel like I'm always having to cover up all my skin and my acne and all of that, and I can just let it peek through but still feel really beautiful in makeup. So I wanted to share this with you guys, but I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me